Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin and today I'm taking you with me to pack for my trip to Europe. So it's mostly going to be kind of vloggy style after the intro, but just showing you my process and all the things I'm taking with me. So if that sounds interesting to you, keep on watching. Before we get too far into the video, if you have not already, please consider clicking that subscribe button. I upload 2 videos a week. It's totally free to subscribe and I would love to have you back on the channel. All right, so here is what we're starting with. I got these packing cubes off of Amazon. They're actually the ones that Laura Lee recommended. I saw her doing a video where she was like cleaning and packing. This is actually from Luggage. This is one I'm going to be packing my makeup in. I'll probably just put my makeup brushes and fit it in one of these and one of these. But I'm still planning on taking all these because I will organize something in there, whether it's toiletries or like more clothes than the big ones. And I'm just doing like socks, undergarments, shirts, shorts. And I'm hoping that by organizing them, not only will I be able to find things in my suitcase better, because it's not like one hotel that we're staying at the whole time that I can really like unpack. I'm going to have to live out of my suitcase on this trip. But also as I wear stuff, instead of categorizing it like it is now by piece, I can put dirty things and separate them from clean things. So that was important to me. And then I also got some little travel essentials, stuff like this, a little Tide to Go stick. I usually don't do makeup remover wipes, but in this case, traveling, I figured it can be important. What else do I have? Oh, some little like to-go individual tissue things. So yeah, don't you guys love my ugly wallpaper, by the way? We have not redone this room in the like 2.5 years that we've lived here, and this has gotta go. I don't know when. I really don't, but that would be a fun video to do a makeover for this room at some point. But yeah, here's the beginnings of packing. I'm at least gonna get through all of my clothes. I think I might even have to do some laundry to have enough stuff to pack. And I'll show you where we're at once I've got these all filled with stuff. All right, guys, here we are. Update, still packing. It's actually the next day because I realized I was so worried about packing all these shorts, but I have several days that I'm going to be on planes to both like leave to get to Italy. And then we're also going to Greece, and that's a day of travel. So, and coming back, of course. And I get so cold on planes. So I realized I needed to wash some jeans. So I paused and did that, but I've got all of the bottoms done, still working on tops, swimwear, undergarments, you know, toiletries type stuff are done. PJs are done. Just put a few little cute shoes and things. There is one more like fancy night. So I have like, this is a really cute dress. So we're still working on it here. And I still think this is what I'm going to put all my makeup in. That's going to be a separate video though. I don't know if it'll be before or after this, but be looking for like my best travel makeup, like stuff that's tiny but good and I love to travel with. That's going to be a separate video, and that stuff's all going to go, I believe, in here. I'm at least going to try it, but I do have 2 of them if I need, and I actually have 3. Like, I'm just going to use all my containers. I just don't know what's going to go in what and makes sense yet because I'm still kind of working it out. And then all this will go in a suitcase at the end, but that's kind of like the update situation currently. All right, guys, here's the progress. I ended up taking the clothes out of this big one. It just wasn't going to fit by the time I put them all in my suitcase here. I have a few more things to finish packing, but that's mostly like toothpaste, toothbrush, stuff like that I can't finish packing because I still have to use them tonight. We have this gorgeous kitty.
Are you resting? Hello. Are you gonna miss Mom? You gonna miss Mom? Oh yeah, he's a good boy.
And then here's the suitcase. Sorry if the lighting's a little dark in here. They gave us this bag. It's more lightweight. I have a regular size backpack I'm taking as my carry-on, but I figured this would be lightweight if I want to carry around anything when I'm there. Here's the clothes that I took out of the Luggage bag that just weren't fitting. And then here, guys, is all the packing cubes. See, they just like all fit in there. so nicely. And I have one more right here underneath the big one laying flat. And then I just kind of laid all of this on top of it. And I ran over to my parents' house because they have this thing that you can put like around the strap at the top here and lift it, and it'll weigh it and let you know if you are over the weight requirement or not. So yeah, pretty much packed up for the bag. Got the makeup packed. Now it's just the carry-on, I think, is all I have left. All right, guys, here we are, the final bit. I've got all my, hey, Salem. I've got all my travel documents in that top little purse. That's what I'm going to carry while I'm there. Suitcase is done. Use this really cool thing that I stuck in here in case anybody else on the trip wants to use to weigh my bag before I get to the airport, since they have a limit. Here's my carry-on. Here's Adelaide. Boy, it's a cat vlog this time, you guys. And that is what I'm carrying. It's got like some clothes in there because, so the way it works, we're like flying overnight and then we don't go to our hotel. It's just like daytime when we get there. So it's the first day of our trip. So I have like a fresh shirt, a sweater in case I get cold in the middle of the night. Hey, buddy. These guys aren't going to know like where I went. I'm going to be gone for so long. Let's see, what else? Yeah, I was going to show you more in depth me packing my carry-on. I've just got some snacks and things since our layover is so short between flights that we don't have time to eat like dinner till we get on the plane. And that's like me eating lunch at like noon, and then I can't eat again until probably like 8. So snacks for in between there so I don't get hangry. You know, just travel essentials. So yeah, that was it, guys. I know it's a short one. This will be the last video you guys are seeing while I'm still actually on my trip. And yeah, I can't wait to get back and film and tell you guys all about it. All right, guys, and that is all for the packing. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you again on the next one. Bye.